Why am I so special? Hi there, I am Dolly the sheep. I was born on July 5th, 1996, at the Roslin Institute in Edinburgh, Scotland. I was named after the country superstar Dolly Parton. Everyone around me tells me I am a very special sheep, but I don't understand why. I look just like all the other sheep, and I sound like them too. I can run, jump, and play just like them. But the professor is always talking about how special I am. The professor is coming to see me today, so I am going to ask him why. When I ask him, he tells me it's because I am the first mammal to be created from an adult cell. I am a clone. I have no idea what a clone is and ask him to explain. A clone is an organism that is genetically identical to the unit or individual from which it was derived. Professor tells me that I have the exact same DNA as my mom because I came from only her, not a male and female sheep. I was shocked to learn all of this about myself. The professor tells me that it is okay to be different and special. He asked me if I would want all the colors in the rainbow to be red, or if I wished all flowers to smell like roses. I tell him no. He tells me it's okay to be different, because it makes me an individual and a very unique sheep. You are special just like all the other sheep here are special too, just in very different ways. I decided to take this conversation with the professor very serious and began to accept myself for the individual that I am. I was able to mother 4 lambs and prove to the world that clones are capable of reproducing. When I was 6 years old, I contracted a progressive lung disease and also had the early stages of arthritis. The scientists who created me, including the professor, were very curious as to why I got so sick so young. They looked at my DNA and found parts of my cells showed signs of being older than my body. On February 14th, 2003, I was euthanized because I was not getting any better. My birth and death have created many controversial arguments over the years. I was a very important scientific advancement that amazed the world. What would you do if you learned there was someone out there who is exactly identical to you in all ways?